Okay, this is the review for the retest for Unit 9. And we start off with just some basic similarity. Here's our similarity statement saying what part of these two triangles go together. And I can look here that the H goes with the P, so angle H goes with angle P, angle O goes with angle I, and T goes with G. I can do the same thing with the sides. So if I've said this side, we'll mark my angles that are congruent based on what we just did. Now here it says side PI, that's this side here that goes between the 1 mark and the 3, goes with this side here that goes between the 1 mark and the 3. So that's HO. IG is this long side here that goes with this one. And then the very longest side, this is the longest side, goes with the longest side there. Often you just have to match up the longest side with the longest side. Now the next one, it says what is the measure of angle F and write a similarity statement. Well, F is going to go with C, but I don't know how big C is, so I'm going to have to add these up and subtract from 180 to get C. So I paused the video, I added these together, and I got 92, then I subtracted from 180 to find that this one here is 88. That means if this one's 88, this one is also 88. So I'd say the measure of angle F equals 88. And then my similarity statement is triangle ABC, this triangle here, A goes with D, B goes with E, and C goes with F. Well, the next one, what value of angle S would make the triangle similar? So we're looking for S. We're looking for this one here. So again, I need to add these together and then subtract from 180. And I get that this is 45 degrees. And this does in fact match up with this one here. So my answer is the measure of angle S equals 45 degrees. Here we're going to do the same thing. It says first let's find G. 102, we're still just repeating this process. Add them together, subtract from 180. So that one's 48. And then if I know two triangles are similar to two angles here are similar to two angles here, I know the third one is also similar. So angle M has to be 30. The angles are all congruent, so yes, they're similar. And let's write our similarity statement. E, F, G. E goes with L. F goes with M. And G goes with N. We're going to repeat the same thing here. 42 plus 63, 105. This one's 75. And that makes this one 42. So this is 75 and 42. Yes, they're similar. And we're going to write the statement. G, H, I. G goes with Y. H goes with X. And I goes with, oops, that's not X, that's Z. And X, so that's Y, Z, X. Alright. Now we're going to look at the sides of the triangle. These were all the angles on the triangle. Now we're going to look at the sides. Remember, the angles are congruent and the sides are proportional. So now we're going to start setting up our proportions. I need to match up the sides that go together. This side goes with this side, so 4 over 10 and 3.8 over J. Now I need to cross multiply. 3.8 times 10 is 38. And 4 times J is 4J. Divide by 4. And we get J is 9.5. Now I need to do the same thing for K. I'm still going to use 4 goes with 10. This time I'm going to go 6 goes with K. 6 times 10 is 60. 4 times K is 4K. Divide by 4. And we get K is 15. So we have 9.5 and 15. Okay, we can do the same thing with any polygon, so let's do the same thing here. 5 goes with 3, and 2.5 goes with x, so that's what we're going to set up, 5 over 3. and 2.5 over x. Cross multiply, 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. 5 times x is 5x, divide by 5, and we get x equals 1.5.